Yeah, I found this on the side of the road here, but I determined I think there's a battery in here, so I'll have to pull it out. Need something slim. So what does that mean? There's no battery? Why would that be a thing there? Well, it had a cord, so it wouldn't have a battery then. Got a piece of aluminum here. What do I do? So just chuck it. Took the handle off, so this one can go in the pile there. Actually, I want to get rid of this wire here. So I'm going to take some wire back tomorrow too, and I got a whole load of wire. And more wire than I can handle right now, like processing. It's all ready right now for this wire. The copper is sluggish or something. Not doing it great, the copper. Okay, that's done there. Need to process. So number one. I'm going to take this one off because it's too aggressive. Put it up here. Start cutting some of this off here. Some of the stuff is just, it's only a 20-cent difference. Not really worth messing around with it if it's too complicated, right? Like take tape off, and this is not really worth it for 20 cents difference. We're gonna have really heavy stuff, heavy walled. It's got paint splatter here. He's got paint there too. I don't have any steel wool with me, that's the problem. I'll try to clean it after, I guess. Doesn't seem to cut that great. I gotta hard to hold it. Press hard to cut it. It's just thick walled, that's why it's a little bit harder. So that's more copper there actually. Oh, wow, tough. Some old copper, thick walled. too much on there. You know, I got a polishing wheel. Hold on. Is it worth it? Probably not. Grinder doesn't sound too good. Take the little tip off. If I had like a SOS pad, it'd be so much easier than holding this stupid thing. See, this is a paint here, overspray paint. Okay, I'm gonna need something, find out what kind of weight I have. I have some electrical buzz bars there. I'm gonna put those in too. That's my number one. That's why I'm cleaning it, because stickers. that. Got a little bit of weight. Got a smaller flat screwdriver here, but where is it? It's too long. This will polish this. These two maybe. Okay, I'm gonna find those buzz bars in my yard. Hold on. I thought I had one here, or two here. Put up here somewhere. Where are you? Huh. Yeah, I had one I threw up here, I thought. Okay, hold for a second. I just cut these just so they kind of fit in buckets. You can see what it goes for right now. So use a machete on this stuff. This one I screwed it. Well, not too bad. The other one looks a bit tough. It's actually kind of cold right now. Not maybe like, I don't know, 5 or something, but it's just damp. My snippers. I'll take some of this off here. Cut that one off too. I'm gonna go to the hot water tank and take off some of that stuff right now with my light on. I can probably take those off later. Definitely heavy wall. So I got 105 bottles here left. So just over $10. That's up pretty fast. 3 containers, $10. Not bad. Piece of brass here, if I can get that brass off. There, we got these things here. The copper in this one. What you have to do. These are motors out of dishwashers and stuff. Washing machines, dishwashers. I kind of like to put it into a bowl and then make it into a bit of a ball. It's better than being all loose. Like a pot like this. Little nugget on there. You can have it. And we got another one. It's a double one. Then we have round mortars, turntable type things. It's like hair. I watch people try to unravel these. You don't do that. Just cut them in the center and they pop right out. Seeing this ball, scrap here likes better because it looks like something versus all that powder, loose stuff. There's a piece of brass here. Usually each one has a piece of brass. Okay, so let's see what kind of weights we have. We still have some buzz bars, but this is number 2. That'll be about, I don't know, 10 pounds. Oh, 14.1, so probably like 13 pounds. Not bad. 18.7, so we got probably 16.5 pounds, probably, some of that. But we have the buzz bars here. These are the buzz bars. So we have to add them to number 1. Got a different flat screwdriver here. I don't know where it went. We have this here. So this is number 1. Yeah, a flat screwdriver. I'm not sure where it went. A smaller one was easier to handle. This other one's too long. Make this work. Oh, that didn't budge. Probably why you didn't take them off the guy, but his son said, "Hey, that's copper." He said, "Don't worry about it. He'll take it." So they know that's from the bakery, deli bakery. Yeah, they do bakery too. Yeah. Oh, they actually cut these ones. That's why these were cut. Ooh, nice big wire here. Look at that. Big mess. It's just easier just to cut this and try to fiddle with that. Too much work. This one's come loose. I'm gonna cut it. Lose a little bit of copper, but it's the thing you'll notice on the scale. No choice. It's just too much work. Try to get it out. I gotta answer the phone. Time here. This is what I found in the alley. I was doing street scrapping. So what I want to do is just take a few things off it, like something like this. Well, this obviously got to go. Like this too, gotta go. USB thing. It's really heavy. Really heavy. Got a piece of copper here. Yeah, okay. It's got stuff everywhere now. Garbage. Like this kind of stuff's gotta go. Too many adapters in here, that's the problem. These kind of adapters are no good. Well, more of a circuit board than a transformer, so I don't really strip those. From the shred. This coaxial BNC connector. We'll keep that. I'll probably have enough for a garbage can, I think. These are Christmas lights. Old school. Adapter, strippable, and then we have cord. Some of that is just it's brass, but it's worth it. some sort of pump system here. Cut the copper off at least. At least I can walk here now. Like 1,320 bottles I sold. Quite a bit. Yes. Now we're going to determine how we're going to clean some of this up here. This one, I'll leave it the way it is, because if I sell it the way it is, the extra steel is more money. But I might still strip it, right? So now we have, I don't know how to get these off, this the spider web of stuff here. I kind of like to sell a wire. I got wire here, a wire over there, tons of wire. Here's that screwdriver I was looking for. The guy's bringing me 2 bins tomorrow. 2 more bins. That's the deal I made. He said he's going to give me a pair of coveralls too. That's what size it was. So that's kind of cool. Super nice guy. Sure happy to get those bins, I'll tell you. They just, they're so good. So tight here. Can't tell if it's turning or what's happening. No, it looks flat. Flathead. The blue one. Useless flatheads, I'll tell you. Oh, come on. Can't do it. Wrist is sore too. Okay. Now we got these big cables here. Two big cables, but they got a junction here, so I'm gonna mess with those later, not now. Really lots of copper coming still. Wow, just a total mess. This wire is probably, I think, better quality wire for the higher grade. The big screws and little screws, it's a problem. I'm going to fiddle with this for a little bit and then we're going to get something else. Okay, we're just going to strip some tires for now. Blades garbage. Don't have much time left here on the video, so a brand new blade. Well, here it is. Looking for it. There it is. I got so much dirty aluminum now, way more than before. So that's something that can be taken too soon.